This is how it usually starts. You decide to move to S/4HANA. An implementation partner gets selected. Workshops start. Momentum builds. And somewhere in the middle of all that activity, a question quietly disappears. Should we actually do this? This is not about blame. The people in the room are doing their jobs. But the structure has a flaw. When the free demo is tied to delivery, the people preparing the demo have something to gain from a yes. The incentives shape the questions. That is theatre. So what breaks the pattern? Independence. This is not delivery. This is advisory. Think of it as insurance. Insurance you take out before you sign the contract, not after the problems arrive. Someone who will step back after the findings are delivered can say, "These changes make standard S/4HANA work for you." Someone whose only job is to find the truth can say, "You are ready," and mean it. Without independence, findings get softened. Bad news gets delayed. Promises get made too early. Contracts get signed before anyone tests whether S/4HANA is fit for purpose. Budgets get approved. Then come the change requests. The lessons get learned. The price is more money and more time. There is another option. A short, independent reflection before the contract gets signed. One real scenario tested in Clean Core S/4HANA. Problems found before they become expensive. Not a delay, a diagnosis. Not a replacement for delivery, a check before commitment. This is what Fit for SAP was built for. An independent advisory validation. 30 days. One scenario, one prototype. The truth before commitment. If you want to learn more, there is a white paper that explains how it works. No sales conversation, just clarity on what independent validation looks like and whether it fits your situation. The white paper is at notiegeneration.com.